Here I have HUAWEI P30 Pro, and let me show you how to add a reminder to your calendar in this device. So at first you have to open the calendar, just find it and open calendar, it's the blue icon, and now select the date on which you would like to set this reminder. For example, it can be 17, it's Wednesday, and then tap on plus. As you can see, for now we do not have any events on this day. Just tap on plus. It's time to set the title, so let me enter Helen birthday. Then you can pick the location, just open the map. You just have to allow access to my location. And now you can select some location. Actually, we are on some sea, I guess. But once you have it, just tap on this one and tap on OK icon here. Agree. Then you can select the period of time, so just select if it should be all day or between some particular hours. So let me pick, for example, between 4:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. So it's start hour and also end hour. Also add the reminder on actually when should this reminder ring. You can select actually non-ring at time of event, 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, or even 1 week before. I will pick 30 minutes ago, sorry. Then you can select the account and if it should be repeated. So if it will be some different event, not birthday, but for example, some important meeting which you have on every Wednesday, just tap on repeat. And here you can select every week. So from now on every week, on every Wednesday, actually it was Wednesday, I guess, this reminder will ring. Also, you can select the time zone and then tap on OK. So as you can see, here is the reminder. Now you can see it here, and because we just said as it's every Wednesday, it will be on every Wednesday from now. Of course, you can edit it, just click on it, and now you can, for example, delete the reminder. And also the period of time, so just click here, edit this event only, so this particular one for this particular day, and you can change, for example, the hours if your meeting details have changed. Just tap on OK and OK. So that's it. You can also delete some events, so just click on it. It's not Labor Day, it's here, and then you can tap on delete, and you can select if you want to delete only this one particular event, this and future events, all events, so the future and those from the past. So let me delete all of them. And as you can see now, there is no reminder about Helen's birthday in your calendar. So let me open the mouth. There is nothing, as you can see. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.